My name is Taylor and I work at Sellers Buick GMC. Today I will be teaching you a few different features about the Buick vehicles that we do have to offer. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at 248-478-8000. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to use the navigation and add a stop along the way. In order to use the navigation separate from your Bluetooth, you will either have to have OnStar or Wi-Fi set up in your vehicle. So on the home screen of your radio, you're going to click the nav icon, and in the top left corner, you're going to have a magnifying glass. You're going to click on that, and let's go to the GM Renaissance building today. So we're going to type in GM. It'll be the first one that pops up. You're going to click on Go.
Please proceed through the highlighted road.
And let's say you need to stop for gas along the way. So you're going to click back on the magnifying glass, hit Fuel. Pick whichever one you decide to use. Click on whichever one is closest to your location. Add to trip. And then you have the gas station added to your route. And in order to cancel the navigation, if you would like to, before you get to your destination, on the top right corner of the navigation screen, you can click Cancel. And that's simple. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach back out to us at 248-478-8000.